Hey there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for anyone who feels unmotivated, anxious, depressed and finds it really hard to keep their house clean and tidy when they feel this way. I get this way really often, and I know some people won't believe that looking at my YouTube channel, but I really do. So I just want to share with you guys how I keep the house clean and tidy when I really don't feel like doing anything.
Let's talk, meet me at the avenue. I don't need nobody else but me.
So this sounds so basic, but I'm going to start off by making a hot drink. I automatically feel so much more motivated if I have my favorite coffee or hot drink, whatever your choice of drink is, have it next to you, carry it around with you, and it just makes me feel so much more enthused about the jobs that I need to do.
Alexa,
and also putting
play
on
music.
I'm just going to ask my Alexa to play some music, some upbeat, lively music, and it just automatically cheers me up a little bit. So the first thing I wanted to suggest was, if you are really not up to cleaning, if you really can't bear the thought of properly cleaning anything, then just do a bit of a tidy and a declutter. I am the biggest believer in tidy house, tidy mind. And if you just get these things out of sight and clear your surfaces, I instantly feel so much more relaxed and level-headed. So I'm just gonna put away all of these things that have accumulated on all of the countertops, and I'm just gonna tidy up.
I don't need nobody else but me.
And I find once I've done one area, then that spurs me on to move on to the next area. So I'm going to do the same with the boys' toys. I'm also going to go into the hallway, tidy up in there, because that is obviously the first room that you see when you walk into the house. And I'm just going to go around as many rooms as I can muster and just tidy up as I go.
The way you used to hold me, like the song in the world singing down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over.
As you can see from my house, I have a lot of storage. I have a lot of baskets, drawers, things like that. I like to have a place that everything can go, so that when I'm tidying up, I can do it a lot more quickly and efficiently, because there is always somewhere to put these things.
Hey, I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the way you, the way you make me grounded. Thinking of the way you, the way you used to hold me, like the song in the world singing down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over.
If you can only bring yourself to clean one thing that day, which happens to me really often, I would always say to do the kitchen. The kitchen is like the heart of the home, or it is in our house anyway. It's where we spend the majority of our time. So I find if the kitchen is clean and shiny, then I feel like the whole house is clean, I think, because it's like the center of the home. So if there's one thing that you can bring yourself to clean that day, just grab a cloth, grab a spray, wipe down your kitchen surfaces, make them all shiny, and I promise you, you will feel so much better.
Everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good?
My next tip is to just do some quick 5-minute dusting. Literally set a timer on your phone. If you saw last week's Motivation Monday video, you'll know that I've been trying to set 5-minute timers to do all of my cleaning lately. So you know it's not going to take you too long. I love these flash dusters because they're so quick and easy, but also I find you don't need to move any objects because they just slide so easily between things, which makes it even quicker. So I'm just going to run this duster over as many surfaces as I can. I'm just going to move myself around the house. I'm just going to stay on the bottom floor of the house. I'm not going to go upstairs. And I'm just going to surface dust as many surfaces as I can. As you can see from what I said earlier, this duster can just go in between objects, so you don't have to spend ages picking everything up and moving things. And I love to see how much dust has gathered on the duster when I'm finished, and just seeing that result instantly makes me feel so much more productive. My next suggestion is to do a load of washing. Now, this is a big psychological thing for me, but whenever I talk about this online, lots of people agree with me. But the sound of the washing machine really calms me. It makes me feel really productive. It makes me feel like I've done something really useful. Just the gentle humming of the washing machine, it's really therapeutic to me. So I really try and do a load of washing a day, particularly if I am feeling down. I will try and put on a load of washing. It won't take more than 5 minutes and you will feel so much better afterwards. So I'm just going to fold up all of this clean washing and then put on a fresh load, and I'm going to leave the utility door open so that I can hear the wash turning around, because honestly it does make me feel really productive and really good. The last thing I wanted to say, which is so effective, is to make the bed. Making the bed has been proven to give you a more productive day. One of my favorite influencers, Miss Greedy, Charlotte Greedy, says if you want to change the world, start by making your bed. And it really is true. It really changes your mindset. I find if I make my bed in the day, it really sets me off and inspires me to go ahead and do something else productive. But guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next one.